Meaning of evolutionism.
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 Evolutionism. Evolutionism is a belief system that encompasses the scientific theory of evolution and the concept of natural selection. It asserts that all organisms on Earth are interconnected through a process of gradual change over time, with new species arising from the modification of existing ones. Darwinian evolution, which posits that evolution occurs through genetic variation and natural selection, is a central tenet of evolutionism. The implications of evolutionism have had profound effects on fields as diverse as science, politics, philosophy, and religion, shaping the way we understand the world around us.